Hi everybody! In this video I'm going to be showing you how to bar lace your Adidas Gazelles. So we're going to start the lacing style by bringing the lace down through the outside first hole. Just bring the lace a little way up into the shoe, and then when you pass it across the front, just try and flatten it out as much as possible. Bring the end of the lace down through the inside first hole, and then to make sure the laces are the same on both sides, put the ends of the laces together and pull up. And in that way you'll have the same length on both sides. So I'm just going to get rid of that twist by pulling up on the one side and back down on that side. And then I'm going to start off by taking the inside lace and bringing it up through the inside third hole. I'm going to pass that lace across the shoe to the opposite third hole. And then going to take the inside lace and bring it up on that same side, the second hole. And then I'm going to pass it across to the opposite hole. Just making sure that the lace is flat. Then I'm going to keep that lace in my hand. I'm going to miss the hole and bring it up through the inside fifth hole. And then I'm going to pass it across the shoe to the opposite hole. And then I'm going to take the inside lace, bring it up on the next available hole on that side. That'll be the fourth hole. And I'm going to take it across the shoe to the opposite hole. Then I'm going to keep that lace in my hand and bring it up through the last hole on that side of the shoe. I'm going to take it across to the opposite last hole. And then I'm going to take the inside lace and I'm going to pass it up through the next available hole on that side of the shoe and across to the opposite hole. And I'm just going to check that all the loops are the same, so work my way up through the shoe. Now there's two ways that I'm going to show you that you can finish this off. You can first of all tie it in a bunny bow. The only thing I find with these laces, they're quite long, and it does mean that you have either very large bunny ears, or you have them dangling quite close to the ground, so you might walk on them. So there is an alternative way, which actually I prefer because I quite like to hide the tying of my laces, and so I would do a factory knot. So to do that, you bring the two laces together. Now for this one, you want to leave a little bit of space there because you don't want to put your factory knot too close to here because you won't be able to get it behind the tongue, and that's where I'm going to take it. So I'm going to take a loop, leaving a bit of a gap there. Loop the laces around your finger, and then you're going to bring that back through the loop. So you bring those up through the loop like that, and then to tighten your factory knot, just send this up a little bit like that. So you've got your factory knot, and then that can go behind the tongue. Now the nice thing about these laces is that they are really soft, and so that would be quite comfortable to wear that behind the tongue, although I probably would recommend that you wear socks. So that is two different ways that you can finish off your bar lace gazelles.